You guys know me of making Tom Brown mix, and yes, about a week or two now, I had many calls from people. Okay, so that's what I actually get. A lot of people on YouTube find me and then call me for their Tom Brown mix. On this episode, I'm going to show you some 4 cereal mix that someone has actually ordered from YouTube. Guys, keep the orders coming. I really appreciate the fact that you guys find me there, call me, and try to explain things to me, how you want your Tom Brown to look like and taste like, and listen to my advice if the mix you're actually talking about will be good for you. People also have their own brand and want me to do this for them. This is not the only thing I do more than this. But today I have 4 cereal mix. So in front of me here is the local rice. Yeah, and it's really very good for Tom Brown. So I have one oloka. If you are in Ghana, you know what I mean by oloka. One oloka of local rice. I have here on fire my soya beans. Okay, so here is my soya beans. I measured a half cup of oloka. That is what I'm actually doing. And here I have my granite. It's already roasted. I just finished doing it. And I have just 2 cups of granite, and that is what I'm going to add to 1 oloka of rice. I've actually explained the reason I minimize the granite in my Tom Brown. I'm using just 2 cups of granite. I also have here my soya bean. It's actually on fire. I'm roasting it. Yes. So I have half a loka of my soya bean. And here I have my wheat. It's already roasted. I have a half a loka of wheat. Okay, so let me repeat it again. My wheat is half a loka of wheat. I have 1 oloka of rice. I have half a loka of soya beans and 2 cups of granules. So I have 4 cereal mix. That is what someone on YouTube actually ordered for. I'm so grateful. I've been receiving lots of calls on how, people actually want to come to my house for me to take them through this Tom Brown mix. But honestly, I don't have the time to actually organize a class or anything. I know I really admire you guys, the way you call me, we have conversations. People with their own companies also call me, we share ideas. Yeah, this job is not for one person. We all have to share ideas and become better. That is what we are here for. We are not here to compete with any money, with anybody, because trust me, the way I prepare my Tom Brown, if you still do the same 4 Tom Brown mix, you may not get it like I have. I'll always do it, and I say this all the time. So I always advise you guys to make your ingredients golden brown. So this is a raw rice I'm using, and look at this one. It's the same rice, but this is golden brown. I roasted it until it became this color. So this is what I mean by roast your ingredients to be golden brown. Alright, people combine the ingredients and then call it foreign. Some add sugar and salt to it to give it taste. We are making an organic product and we don't want any additive. So the raw state you see here is what I prepare for you guys. Place your order and I'll send it to you. with the Thom Browne mix. Today I have two different types of Thom Browne mix here. I have the 4 cereal mix Thom Browne, which is soya beans, sweets, granules, and then rice. And I have the 8 cereal Thom Browne mix here, or from my YouTube fans who are actually giving me the go ahead to do my mixes. Guys, I trust you so much because you trust me too to make your Thom Browne mix and then send it to you wherever you are. Today I'm going to show you how I measure my Thom Browne and then pack them in containers and then sell it. Today we'll see how I measure this Thom Browne mix inside this container. For this bottle I only measure 500 grams of Thom Browne inside this. So 500 in this, 500 in this, 500 grams will give me the amount I need to sell to people in my house. So if you're in the house, it's either you are using this to sell for people or you are packing it in the paper bag or plastic bags, either 500 grams or 1 kilograms. Okay, I'm bringing it closer so you can see what I'm doing. You can see that it's on the 0 exactly. So when I move this from here to here, it is 1 kg. But when it's here to the middle here, then it is 500 grams. So let's see how this can move from the 0 to 500 grams, or from the 0 to 1 kg, which is the amount, five times the amount I'm going to send. Yes, so it's exactly on the 1, from the 0 to 1. So I have 1 kg. All right, so that is it. So I measure my 1 kg of Thom Browne. We are cheating them. Okay, so I'll just put this here and then measure again 5 times of it. $500 grams. Keep this here. So yes guys, this is what I'm actually doing. Small business, and it's still ongoing for me. When you want to order in bulk, starting from 5 kg to 25 kgs. If you want to order the 500 grams, you can feel free to order. I've already sent some of these to people across the country, so if you are watching this video and you need a sample, don't worry, I'll send it to you. Thank you guys so much for passing by to watch this episode. I'm so excited that you guys receive my videos in good faith and then communicate and then we share ideas. Thank you so much. Until next time, I will definitely bring you another Tom Brown mix. So watch out. Bye.